1. Ability. Ability means power, skill, or capacity to do something. Example, her artistic ability is truly impressive. 2. Accomplish. Accomplish means to complete or achieve something successfully. Example, she accomplished all her goals this year. 3. Ache. Ache means a continuous or dull pain in a part of the body. Example, after the gym, my muscles ache. 4. Adversity. Adversity means a difficult or unpleasant situation, typically involving hardship, trouble, or misfortune. Example, he remained strong even in the face of adversity. 5. Effect. Effect means to influence or have an impact on something. Example, lack of sleep can affect your health. 6. Allure. Allure means strong attraction or charm, especially something mysterious or tempting. Example, the allure of fame is hard to resist. 7. Alternative. Alternative means another option, choice, or possibility. Example, we must find an alternative to plastic.
8. Amateur. Amateur means person who engages in a hobby or activity for pleasure, not as a profession. Example, he is an amateur singer.
9. Apparent. Apparent means something that is clearly visible, obvious, or seems to be true, even if not certain. Example, there's no apparent reason for the failure. 10. Abnormal. Abnormal means something that is not normal or usual. Example, abnormal weather conditions affected the crops.